In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs to format your recipes into a sleek two-column layout. This will help you create a more visually appealing document that's perfect for printing or sharing online. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your Google Docs file that contains all of your recipes. If you haven't already done so, make sure you have all the essential information typed up and ready. This initial step ensures you're starting with the content you need, allowing you to focus on formatting rather than worrying about missing ingredients or instructions later on. When you're in your document, look towards the top menu bar and find the Format option. Clicking on Format opens up a drop-down menu with a host of formatting tools. These tools are your gateway to changing the look and feel of your document, allowing you to adjust spacing, indentation, alignments, and much more. For now, we're interested in a specific tool. After you've clicked on Format, hover over and click on the Columns option. A little aside here, using columns in a document can be incredibly useful when you want to present information side by side. This is particularly handy for recipes, where you might want a list of ingredients on one side and the preparation steps on the other. This structured format can make following a recipe much easier and more intuitive. Next, you'll see different column options appear. You want to select the two columns option. This action will instantly transform your entire document into a two-column layout. It might seem like a simple change, but it can significantly enhance the readability and aesthetic of your recipes. The dual column format helps maximize use of space and can make your document look that much more professional. Now that your recipes are neatly divided into two columns, you should take a moment to review the appearance of your document. Editing your file at this stage is crucial to ensure everything looks good and reads smoothly. Make sure the text is aligned properly, no parts of your recipe are cut off between pages, and that each recipe is clearly separated. You may need to tweak line breaks, font sizes, or text styles. This final step is all about refining the document to meet your standards, ensuring it serves its purpose well, whether you're sharing it digitally or printing it out. Congratulations, you've learned how to effectively use Google Docs to format your recipes into a two-column layout. By following these steps, you can easily transform any text-heavy document into a clean and organized presentation. Thanks for watching.